Now, with the launch of the Nio ES8 out of the way, have you now started thinking about the insurance registrations that we are going to start to see onto Nio? I have, and I think we need to brace ourselves for what is coming. I mean, the deliveries of the ES8 began on the day on yesterday, and a boy, I must say, we look forward. We look forward onto the insurance registrations. There might not be much impact this week's insurance registration report coming on Tuesday, but rest assured, from this coming week, we are going to see a major lift off when it comes to the insurance registrations that we get to see from Nio. You will know that the total deliveries that Nio expects to deliver right now in September, it's between 34,600 and 38,600. How do we know this number? Well, we know it coming from the Q2 earnings, when Nio gave a Q3 delivery guidance of between 87 to 91,000. Now, because we know that the deliveries for July and August, we could easily subtract them from those deliveries from the 87 to 91,000, and that is how we came about with the 34,600 to 38,600, which is something that, of course, it's pretty amazing. Right now, the tricky part is that from the insurance registrations that Nio has been getting for the first full 2 weeks, right, excluding this week, they've been coming pretty short, right? Or they've been making some people think or wonder if Nio is really going to pull it through to get the obviously 34,600, because the first full 2 weeks of September, Nio had a total insurance registrations of around 12,500, and from that, it simply means that Nio still got like what, 22,100 to get at least to the lower side of their guidance. And the biggest question that I also highlighted, or I asked after that, of course, insurance registrations we saw this past Tuesday for last week, is that is Nio going to pull through the of course 22,000 in this last remaining, of course, 2 weeks? And the answer to that, I think, is yes, because of the fact that there has been production of the all new ES8 models already ready for customers. I think it's going to be easier for Nio to deliver as many vehicles as possible, because just I think mid this week, think Wednesday, Tuesday, Nio dropped a bombshell to say that customers can configure their cars, meaning that whatever you want for your car, you could configure and lock it, right? And this gave Nio, or it's giving Nio, an opportunity to do final products based on what the customers configured, which is something that is great. The great thing is that obviously the mass produced cars that Nio already have on the floor, I'm telling you, even if maybe you find a car, or there is a car that is configured, but maybe it misses one thing, I'm quite certain at the fact that because of the demand, we are going to see all cars on the floor being mobbed like crazy, right? Or being snatched away by customers like crazy, because of the massive demand that will be on that car. It is a car that I think it's going to break orders a record when it comes to the orders that it receives. Right now, the record is with the Onvo L90 without a doubt, but I think the total number of orders that ES8 is going to get will be way more than to the orders that the L90 reported. I mean, pre-orders, by the way, that of course the Nio ES8 received exceeded 100,000, and that already tells you that, look, if pre-orders already surpass the pre-orders that the Onvo L90 had, ES8 is going to the next level. So when it goes to, or when we go and have a look at the insurance registrations that are coming this week, we might start to see a slight increase in terms of the insurance registrations that Nio is going to report. But the biggest game changer in terms of the number is gonna come for next week's. Next week is gonna be so busy, so busy. I mean, one of the things that makes me or gives me the confidence that Nio is going to indeed make it or pull that guidance through, it's because of the 1 billion which they just announced last week on Wednesday, that they have raised that money. They've completed that fundraising, if I can call it like that, right? Market share offering, they've completed it. Part of where that money is going to go to, it's going to go onto the new products, right? New products, they refer to also, I think, the supply chains issues or matters, because you know that from the plants or from the production, right, it Nio still needs to transport this car to various places, and I think they might need to increase in terms of logistics. They might need to increase, or they still need to increase production when it comes to their suppliers, which this is the reason why I'm bullish on this, because now they have got the money, enough money to do that. And as they grow the production capacity, we are going to see even the weekly insurance registrations positively reacting to that, which is something that is so great. We won't just wake up with 50,000 deliveries. There will be signs, and where are the signs? The signs will be the weekly insurance registrations. They will be showing us something that we have not seen before. And from October, man, I can't help but wonder what is going to come, because in October we already know that ES8 is going to sell plus 10,000, Onvo L90 is going to sell plus 15,000, and this is something that is just so great, and it makes me to look forward ahead to what is coming. So my dear friends, I am happy, I am excited, and I thought I come and give you these quick updates. Tell me what you think about this. I think we need to brace ourselves for what is really coming. The Nio shorts, they better be ready, because we are going to fry them. They are going to get fried, my dear friends. They've had so much control onto the Nio stock for a long time. It's enough. It's time for the Nio bulls to take charge, to take control. And this coming week, we are also going to see the share price of Nio. Chances are very high that it will continue to rally. Hong Kong, Singapore, the market will open first. I think we should see some positive signs of the market reacting positively towards the official launch of the Nio ES8 before the US Open. US Open, it will just be a confirmation from obviously the Singapore and Hong Kong stock exchange markets. But anyways, let me not make this video too long. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. Look, man, it takes me some time to make videos like this, which is why I ask you to like this video, to subscribe, to hit that notification bell, so that at least you don't get to miss the good content that I give on a daily basis. I'll keep them coming. You can ask those that have been on this channel for quite some time. I'm gonna keep it coming, I promise you. Let me leave it here for now. That is all from me, my dear friends. I will see you on the next one, and God bless you all.